Right. Red dot. Numbers.
Numbers.
Okay. Right, now ready?
Right.
Ready to play?
Action!
Go. Exciting times. We just had these sent in the post. It's the Adam Audio T8V. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing them, we're going to be testing them out and giving it a review. Let's jump in. So me and my daughter first shot this back in the summer, and some of the video is her learning to film as well. So big shout out to her for helping me. We unboxed them in the summer. Some of this we're going to cut together for some video we're filming now. Due to lockdown and homeschooling, I didn't get a chance to finish this video, so I'm finishing it today. What the benefit is that we've had 3 months of testing these and playing with them and having them in our home, and I'm going to give you all that now. Okay, so we're going to unbox the Adam Audio T8V. So what do we get in the box? We've got the normal power plug. We've got a piece of cardboard. Set that out. We've got a manual. That's cool. And then we've just got the speaker, which is they're really heavy, so we can get that out. Oh, we're going to push that out of the way. Let's just undo this and get this speaker. I can't wait to see this side, see what they look like. Take the wrapper off. And then, whoa, look at this beast. Oh wow. They're lovely, aren't they? Wow. Amazing. Okay, cool. So let's look at the back. Hang on. So let's look at the back. It's really simple. We've got a volume which goes from -60 to +18 dB. We've got a low filter which is +2 and -2, and a high filter. And then we've just got 2 inputs, which is basically RCA input or balanced in XLR, and then power. And that's all we've got on the back really. Front wise, we've got this massive main woofer, 8-inch woofer. We've got a max power of 118 dB, and we've got a big tweeter, 20 watt tweeter, and a 70 watt woofer. So it's bi-amped. It's really got a lot of power, and I'm really excited to test these out. Can't wait to give it a whirl. So let's talk about these in review. The 8 in the T8V stands for the 8-inch cone on these. These have got incredible sound. They're really well made. They look amazing. What I have loved about them is the range of quality of sound. Like when you push them really high, it's still really crisp and really clear. The bass for this room that we're in it's a big room, so it works really well. It sounds really beefy and thick, and we've been DJing with them, so and using them as a DJ setup, and they're great for that. They sound amazing, and they sound like we've had them in through the summer. It's just been, it sounded like a big club in this room basically. It's been amazing. The quality of bass, if you push it really loud, it just keeps them, doesn't distort and break. It's really nice. The top ends just sound so good right to the top. One thing I can say is that they are big. That I was going to have them on my desk for monitoring and for listening to, doing A&R for music and for listening to all the new tracks I've got. My desk in our office is pretty small, and for that reason they won't fit in there. They won't fit on my desk for sure, because my desk is sort of half the size of this table, so they're definitely not going to fit on that. So they're a bit big for that, but they're good for my DJ setup in here. They work in here well. The port on the back, you do have to have them off the wall a bit, but otherwise it does sound a bit boomy, which is one thing to consider. For our office, we probably would go with the smaller in the range of T5s. Essentially, the T8Vs, the T7s, and the T8s, and they just range up in size and the size of the cone, size of the main cone. So we will probably have that for the desk for A&R. These are a bit big, but they are great. They are great for big rooms and big spaces. So if you have one of those and you want that big sound and big clarity of sound, and these are great. For 300 quid, they're definitely worth the money. They're easy to set up. They're easy to run. and within a minute you'll be have them in your setup. If you've enjoyed this, please share this, give it a like, give it a comment. Have you got some of these yourself? Have you got some of these since they've been out? What do you think of them? Drop that in the comments below. I'd love to know. Are you using these in your setup? Thanks again for joining me. I've been Growing Farmer, and I'll see you again next time. So that's that. Now
we're gonna do